All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in order to build polymarket trading bots that trade for you 24/7, 365. I'm testing out a ton of ideas here and then I'm automating them essentially. So you can see here, I got a bunch to claim in order to get my cash back. You can see 669%. Wow. 223%. And that was from 11:25. I was sleeping during that time. 223%, 220%. Interesting that they're the same exact amount. 194%, 194%, 150%. I was in bed at 9:25, 8:40. So if you want trading bots that are actually live and trade for you 24/7, 11:20, I was definitely asleep for that. Only 67% win though. This is the shocker here, 669% win from 11:25 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Based off of everything I show you here. Make sure to subscribe, lock in, and I'll show you everything. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. Moondev.com/Discord. Message anyone. Ask them. Become friends. So we're going crazy today on these poly market bots. I wanted to show you a couple things. I want to get some code into your hands. I want to do the things that others won't do. They will never share this stuff with you. They'll never show you this information. I believe code's a great equalizer. Whatever it takes to get you to learn how to code. For me, it took me being an emotional trader to finally learn how to code. Okay, so we tested a bunch of different poly market ideas today for these 5-minute markets. You can see I'm cooking on these. My bot is out trading me. I'm trying to spend the days here doing a little bit of hand trading with my little bot that I think I showed you yesterday. Maybe I didn't, I don't know, but this goes ahead and I can put buy or sell at any time and it's going to trade the 5-minute markets with a little bit of extra edge on it. Like it's not going to buy immediately like everybody else is. If you go here, you click buy, you're paying like 3% fees round trip. I pay 0 fees and I'm only buying deals. Okay. So based off of just kind of hyper gambling here, I'm coming up with ideas. Based off of those ideas, I then go automate them. Am I going to show people on YouTube anymore? Probably not. I got hacked, bro. I got hacked twice in the last 4 months. So I'm just going to hyper gamble from here on out. And I'll go ahead and cook some bots up. I'll show you a little thing or two. Like today, this is alpha right here. Nobody's going to show you this. So we figured out how to back test on these 5-minute markets. That's the first thing that is just alpha period. How do you back test on these 5-minute markets? Okay, listen to me quickly here. So everybody's like, how do you back test? How do you back test on these markets? Well, the way these work is at 12:15, what happens at the price it is at 12:15, it starts that price. That's the price to beat. Okay, if you know the price to beat at 12:15, well, all you need is 1 minute data. Okay, how do you get 1 minute data? I'll show you in a second. You get 1 minute data, you know the price to beat. Okay, so at 12:10, this is the current market. You can see the price to beat is 73,000. Well, if that's at the start of the 5 minutes, okay, boom, 5 minutes, and then you have to beat that. So at the end of the 5 minutes, look at where the price is. Did you beat it or not? Is it up or down? Simple to back test, actually. You just need 1 minute data. And 1 minute data, you got to be a data dog for that. But if you show up to my Zooms, guess what? I give you 1 minute data. I just went over to this tab and I downloaded a year's worth of 1 minute data. Where else can you get 1 minute data for a year? I don't know. But I try to overload the Zooms with everything. I'm not only going to show you actually what I'm building every day, but I'm also going to give you everything I can to give you a little bit of an edge, because I know everybody else is out there like, oh, code, nobody going to share anything. The people that are sharing things, they get chopped down by all the little boys that say, oh, they're never going to share this. Okay, you got one side, you got the quant saying, I'm never sharing anything. And then you got the other side, all the little kids on Twitter saying, oh, he's sharing stuff and he's a guru, yada, yada. So call me what you want to call me. I'm dropping heat every day. So data for free. Boom. Code. Okay, look at this, dude. This is interesting. Based off our back tests, we found 3 that actually print. Now, these are back tests. Just because it worked in the past doesn't mean it's going to work in the future. But I wasn't back testing before, and you see my balance is up, right? I did okay yesterday by hand, but my bot did much better. So what I do, you can't just do automatically. I believe you could do anything better. That being said, we found 3 new ideas. And if you're working with AI, you should be able to recreate these ideas just based off the name MACD 3, 15, and 3. You can see the win rate is 60%. 60% on a market that is trading 288 times a day is dirty. These 5-minute markets, you have 288 tries per day. A 60% win rate, that's an edge of 6%. Trades per year, 104,000. So plenty of trades a day, 287 trades a day. It pretty much takes every single trade. Damn. So that's probably overfit. I would say that's probably overfit, but we'll see. We'll see. It might be a little bit of an idea. If there's 288 trades a day and it's taking 287, that's crazy. I just wanted to show you these results here from the back test because for me, back testing on Polymarket was a big unlock today. I didn't know how to back test on Polymarket before. I wasn't back testing. And you know the process I teach here about how to automate your trading. Starts with research. Think of good ideas, read good ideas, papers, books. I give you a book list, all that good stuff. Come up with unlimited ideas. Then you back test those ideas, see if they actually work in the past. I skipped that. I skipped that for the Polymarket stuff. I didn't think you could do it. I figured out how to do it. So now you know how to do it. Let me go ahead and show you that code actually. Just really quickly, really quickly. Nah, I'm not going to show you that code. I'm going to show you something better. So I built another bot for Polymarket that I will let live here once I get my other account set up because this one's doing well for me. So I'm going to set up on another account, but it's using CVD. What is CVD? So CVD is using what's called tick data. What is tick data? Well, you saw me just download the 1 minute data. This is what everybody else is going to trade off of is 1 minute data. Max, I mean, at the lowest. And all the big head quants out there, they're not going to tell you this. They're not going to tell you that all the alpha is actually in the tick data. What is tick data? It's every single time the price changes. So if I go to app.hyperliquid, tick data is literally every single trade. So it's intra-bar stuff. And if you're just trading based off of 5 minute, 1 minute data, you're missing out the intra-bar stuff. I'm grabbing every single tick, and then I'm using that tick data to this new concept CVD that I dove into, and then I built a bot for it. So I'll give you the code for the bot. I'll scroll through it here at the end. But CVD is cumulative volume delta, is a total of difference between buying volume and selling volume over time. When a trade executes at the ask price, it's counted as a buy. At the bid, it's a sell. And CVD sums up buy volume minus sell volume cumulatively. Each tick in your data represents a trade with a side, buy, sell. And size, so CVD is built by iterating through ticks. And remember, everybody's using open, high, low, close volume data. You aren't anymore because you got this, dude. It's in the API, moondev.com/stocks. So CVD is built by iterating through ticks and adding the volume for buys while subtracting for sells. A rising CVD means buyers are more aggressive, lifting the ask, while a falling CVD means sellers are hitting the bid. It reveals order flow pressure that price alone doesn't show. And you literally can't see this if you're using open, high, low, close data. But how do you get this tick data? I told you, I'm going to overload you. If you come to one of my Zooms, I know you're actually stepping on a gas. So not only are you going to get tomorrow's Zoom, be able to chat with me, ask any questions, but on top of that, I give you a bunch of bonuses. Hyperliquid Data API, Moondev AI, Moondev app, the app that I use all day. Algo Trading Roadmap. Inside that Algo Trading Roadmap, if we go to it, moondev.com/roadmap here, you're going to see that I give you a full roadmap so you can attack this industry for free. For free. You don't even have to pay me anything, dude. Code from videos here. You can see I just added the CVD 5 minute bot here to the code from videos section. So when you come, you're going to get that roadmap. And right now, I want to make sure that you get this actual code here. You're just going to have to work a little harder for it, and you'll just have to screenshot it. That's all. Screenshot it or just come through tomorrow. Either way, I don't care. At the end of the day, I feel like I've already explained how to backtest on Polymarket, which is revolutionary. I gave you 3 ideas here that are actually profitable, and you're going to say they're overfit. We did stress test them. I said they're overfit first, but we did stress test them. We did walk forward. We did all the analysis you need to do. Anyways, let me go ahead and give you that 5 minute CVD bot. I'm going to scroll through here. And if you don't want to come to the Zoom tomorrow to get that roadmap, you don't have to, dude. You don't have to. You're here at the end of this free YouTube video. I believe code is a great equalizer. At the end of the day, I don't know about you. I was scared to learn how to code, dude. Until I met that $1 billion man. He was trading $1 billion a day. He looked just like me, just a homie, just a chill dude, chill guy. He's trading $1 billion per day. What the hell? Let me trade $1 billion. I don't need to trade all that, but I am trading with emotions. I need to automate my trading. It took me meeting a real person that kind of was like me in order to actually automate my trading. So I hope that by me giving you absolutely everything I have here for free on YouTube every single day, give you my ideas, give you a real test, my ups, the downs, I hope that encourages you to go learn how to code. And if you're a trader, you must automate your trading or stop trading, because I have the math behind it. And you don't have the math behind it, but you can have the math behind it. There's something called back testing. And I talked about it a bit today. So you know how to back test on Polymarket now when most people don't even know how to trade on Polymarket. Scrolling through all the code here at the end, all I do ask is, in return, throw a 777 in the chat, put code in the chat, for real. If you want me to drop code like this at the end of the videos every day, or even in the roadmap as well, just throw code in the description below, the chat, whatever, the comments, that will indicate that, hey, this is what you guys want to see. You want to see short, concise videos here. I spend 3-4 hours every single day locked. What I figure out, I bring to the world. And the quants are going to say you can't do this. And then the little boys on Twitter, they're going to be like, oh, scam. It's a course. Or you sell their course. Oh, you can't do both. Yada, yada. I'm a trader. And I have something you don't know. I'm 5 years deep into algorithmic trading. And if you want to get caught up to speed with me, shit, of course I'm going to have a course. I'm a trader. I've been a trader since I was a kid. I was trading eBay, dude. I was trading eBay. Then I traded on websites. I was selling stuff. Okay, boom. And then I started trading in the app store. I'm a trader. Then I started trading with Facebook ads. I'm a trader, dude. I'm a trader. So if somebody knows something you don't know and you don't purchase their knowledge, you're cooked. But that's okay. We got the quants on one side. They're trying to hack me, do whatever they can do so I don't share this stuff. And we got the boys on the other side that will obsess over other people's success. I believe code's a great equalizer. You know my motivation here. You know that I believe if you learn to code, you'll change your life, because nobody can tell you anything. That's why I talk so much trash, because nobody could tell me anything ever again. You just saw all the code to my new CVD 5-minute bot. I gave you 3 crazy ideas that are actually profitable. They're back tests. I gave you everything you came for, and I hope so much more. Hit that sub, and I'll see you next time.